here today, standing here on the corner of Coney Island Avenue and Avenue K in Brooklyn because of a terrible tragedy that took place 2 weeks ago on Thursday, January 26th at approximately 10:14 p.m. Mr. Noah Foxman was crossing the street, and as he was crossing the street, he was hit by a car, and while he was lying on the ground and as the paramedics were taking care of him, unfortunately he was hit by another car which was speeding down Coney Island Avenue, was coming from Avenue J through K and went all the way to Avenue L. This is a matter really of basic decency. If you hit somebody, you have to pull your car over. You have to help that person out. To have a situation where an individual will get hit by a car and a person doesn't even stop and keeps on driving down is really outrageous. It's just a matter of basic morality and decency, and we're asking people, if you saw something, do the right thing, report it. If you know who did it, do the right thing, report it. And if by some chance the individual who did this is actually seeing this right now, turn yourself in. It's the right thing to do. It's simply a matter of morals. It's the right thing, and there's a right thing and the wrong thing. To hit someone and just drive away is really outrageous.
To Mr. Foxman, Noah Foxman, who was tragically killed, his family in my district in Far Rockaway, and it's so important that we get some answers and we find out, exactly who did this and the circumstances leading to that. And I want to thank Councilman Greenfield for joining me today, and I want to encourage any and all those with information to come forward. So thank you.
What's very important to understand here is this got nothing to do with religion. It doesn't make a difference what religion you are, what color you are. This is something that transcends all of that. No one deserves to have died like that. Nobody. So we ask you, please, if you saw something, come forward. If you're a store owner, a storekeeper, a shop owner here on Coney Island Avenue, anywhere from Avenue all the way down from Avenue H all the way down to Kings Highway, anywhere in that time from 10 o'clock to 10:20, please check your surveillance cameras. And if there's something that you can see over there that will help us, it's very, very
Thursday, important. January 26th. Thursday, January 26th at 10:14 p.m. past Coney Island Avenue and Avenue K southbound. So it was coming from Avenue J to Avenue K to Avenue L. 10:14, 10:15. Look at your cameras if you saw something. Folks, this is a simple situation where we're talking about this could have been anybody's father or grandfather. We have over here Mrs. Greenwald. She has 2 kids. They're never going to see their grandfather again because somebody was too callous to actually stop. It's really outrageous. And so I really want to thank Mrs. Greenwald. I know her family's been going through a very difficult time for coming out here today. We thank you, and the community's here to support you. And I just want to now ask Mr. Foxman, the brother of the victim, to share with us his thoughts, and then we'll take any questions that you
have
may
a video. Please call the police. Don't analyze the video yourself. If you have a video of the street from that time frame, from 10:10 to 10:20, on that Thursday night, January 26, 10 to 10:20 p.m., please call the 800 number, and the police will pick it up for you. They know how to analyze that video. Don't do it yourself. If you still has it,
it's 800-577-TIPS. That's the number. And as Mr. Foxman pointed out, which is very important, the calls are confidential. You can actually give the information anonymously. It will give you a code, and if the information that you give leads to the arrest and conviction of the individual responsible, you can then use that code to get the $2,500 reward. And it's very important, if the individual who did this, sees this, if he's interested in any sort of leniency at all, the right thing to do would be for the person to turn themselves in, because we're not going away. We as a community are going to stand here united. We're going to stand here strong. We're going to make sure that this terrible tragedy and travesty and crime is solved and resolved. And we also want to thank the NYPD for the very strong work that they've been doing, and we're coming together to work together, and that's why we're offering that reward today.
Llámame a ella, Dariana. You're right.
What's with the other side? Over.
Vamos a ver si viene igual. And your ID. Dariana. Dariana.